Sleep is not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to a host of physical and mental health problems, many of which can be severe and long-term. This video explores how insufficient sleep affects three critical systems in the body: the brain, the cardiovascular system, and the immune system.
Insomnia is a sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early and not being able to return to sleep. It can be acute or chronic. Types of insomnia. Acute insomnia, often caused by stress, life events, or environmental disruptions. It typically resolves without medical intervention. Chronic insomnia occurs regularly and may be linked to underlying health conditions, medications, or mental health disorders. Onset insomnia, difficulty falling asleep at the beginning of the night. Maintenance insomnia, waking up frequently during the night or too early in the morning. Common causes of insomnia: stress and anxiety, depression or mood disorders, poor sleep habits, chronic pain or medical conditions, substance use, medications.
Sleep plays a central role in memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and cognitive performance. When the brain is deprived of adequate rest, memory and concentration decline. Lack of sleep disrupts the hippocampus, a brain region critical for storing long-term memories. Increased risk of anxiety and depression. Sleep deprivation overactivates the amygdala, the brain's emotional center, leading to heightened stress reactivity and mood instability. Poor decision-making and slow response times. Studies show that even moderate sleep loss can impair judgment and reduce problem-solving ability.
Sleep is essential for maintaining cardiovascular health. When sleep is cut short or interrupted, blood pressure rises. A 2009 study in the European Heart Journal found that individuals who slept fewer than 6 hours per night had a significantly higher risk of developing hypertension, higher risk of heart attack and stroke. Sleep deprivation increases systemic inflammation and impairs endothelial function, promoting plaque formation and thrombosis. Disrupted metabolism. Insufficient sleep leads to insulin resistance, elevated triglycerides, and weight gain, all contributors to cardiovascular disease.
During sleep, the body produces cytokines, proteins essential for fighting infections and inflammation. Increased susceptibility to infections. People who sleep less than 5 hours per night are up to 4 times more likely to catch a cold compared to those who sleep at least 7 hours. Slower recovery from illness. Sleep deprivation delays tissue repair and prolongs recovery from infections or surgeries. Reduced vaccine effectiveness. Sleep-deprived individuals produce fewer antibodies in response to vaccines such as influenza and hepatitis B.
Here are some practical tips for better sleep hygiene. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and screens at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Create a dark, quiet, and cool sleep environment. Exercise regularly, but not close to bedtime. Seek medical advice for persistent sleep disturbances.
Sleep is foundational to brain function, heart health, and immune resilience. Chronic sleep loss doesn't just make you tired, it compromises every major system in your body. Investing in high-quality sleep is one of the most effective strategies for long-term well-being.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about health.